Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to open or create an Amazon seller account. First thing first, make sure you have these documents: a valid credit card, a bank or credit card statement, a piece of valid ID. And you'll need them during the registration process. Next, go to Amazon.com and click Sell at the top of the page. Choose Sign up for a professional seller account or scroll down and sign up as an individual seller. Enter your name, email, and password, then click Next. Then, Amazon will send you a verification code by email. Copy the code, return to the sign up page, and paste it in. Just click Verify to continue. Now you have to fill in your business details such as business location, business type, and full name, then click Agree and continue. On the next page, enter your citizenship, place of birth, and one ID document. Then provide your business or home address and a valid phone number for SMS or call verification. After that, enter your credit card information. This card will be used to pay account fees. Just click Next to proceed. Now choose your store name. This will be visible to customers. Answer a few product-related questions like: do you have UPS? Are you the manufacturer or brand owner, or do you have trademarks? When done, just click Next. Now double-check your details, then upload your documents. A color photo or scan of your ID and a bank or credit card statement, then click Submit to finish. Finally, your account will be go under review and Amazon may contact you if something needs correction. Once approved, you can log into your Seller Central, add products, and start selling. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.